This video is brought to you by TS4U IT Engineering Bootcamp. Are you looking for an IT bootcamp? In your journey with TS4U, you will get workshops and tasks every week, hands-on practice, technical tests and tasks, show and tell, mock interview. And we get paid fully only when you get a job. You can get affordable student loan. Become eligible for free tuition. We offer industry-demanding IT boot camps. Join now and start your IT engineering journey today with TS4U.
Yeah. So I have a follow-up question. So you mentioned about workshop in your last answer. Can you explain a bit more about it?
Yes. So before our project actually goes live, for a while, we actually work as a team and we do our sprint work. But our decision is the last quarter, the last 2 or 3 months, the whole team will be working together and then in a room. So we call the workshop. In this workshop, basically the whole team member, including the remote team member, and actually the people in person, they will be all working and in a team. So our Zoom open from morning to the afternoon, and we have the hourly sync up call. Means in this hourly sync up call, we actually discuss how the testing has been done so far, what are the issues has been raised, and then we discuss as a team. And when we identify the issues, then actually the two people actually work together, whoever raised the issues and who is the developer. So they actually work together, and remaining people start working on it. And the entire next hour we sync up again, and actually we do the same process. So what it does, it actually excellent collaboration happen. We actually do the testing very productively. We can identify the issues on the top, and actually we can address the issues, and the product owner stays on the call, and product owner can follow up. So it is actually the workshop, and it actually happened at least the last 2 months of the project. We perform the functional testing, we perform the regression testing, we perform the NFR non-functional testing, as well as we get to know how the project is going as for hitting the deadline and the go live.